It's a fact every single day. 15% of the searches Google sees, we've never seen them before.
So first things first, nuts and bolts. To answer the Congresswoman's question, how does it work?
I mean, it's an embarrassing statement, I have to just say, by our policymakers who really know so little about technology that they're really in charge of making policy for. But what's happening in this case is kind of just good old-fashioned Google washing or Google bombing. You know, this is a term that's been around for a long time, and it's where users or people who are technically skilled at search engine optimization are really able to associate keywords with certain people or images. Donald Trump isn't the first person to have this happen. Justin Bieber, George W. Bush, and this is something.
Call 911.
Whoa. Whoa.
We're doing speed limit here. You stupid cunts are cutting the road, cutting people off.
They're turning into
You want to have a fucking go at people? Keep out of the fucking
legal place
road.
to park.
What?
You've just assaulted me. That's a legal place for them to
No,
pull
because
in.
you've run out of the road trying to assault me while I'm
Did
trying
you
to
see the
drive.
guy that's
Legally at speed
You've
limit.
just assaulted me.
You stupid cunt cutting
You've
across
just
the
assaulted
street
me
in front
and
of
camera
people.
of assault.
I've got film. I've got
Would
you
you
running
punch
out
me in the
abusing
face?
us as well. Cunt.
Really?
Stop being a stupid. Go.
Would you be a... You won't take your helmet off.
Why?
Because you get dropped if you take...
See about that, you stupid cunt.
Don't worry about it.
I've got it all on camera.
I know you have it on camera.
So what about it?
Why do you want to go down this path?
What about it?
Go down this path.
Okay. Threatened me. You told me to take.
You've already assaulted me.
Yeah, I have.
You have punched. You assaulted me.
Speed limit. You use the car.
They're legally pulling into a place.
If you want to pull in somewhere, you keep
They had
right,
their-
you indicate.
They had their
instead of
right hand
going
out
from
and they were pulling out.
So on the left-hand side of the road, and they cut across in front of traffic. And then we all.
Apart from us, you guys are the second, like, we're the most vulnerable on the road. You guys got to understand that.
You are.
He's punched me in the face. I got the camera. He punched me in the face. It's on his camera. He punched me in the face. He assaulted me.
Why is he on the side of the road?
No, I did not. He has assaulted me. I don't know what's going on there, police. I will report it to the police.
Because he has assaulted me and I will be reporting him. We come around the corner here, someone has come off the shoulder of the road and cut straight across the front of fucking traffic, and then this one here running out.
I was running out trying to get him to slow down so that nobody got hit because of the way you guys came through. I was trying to protect my cyclists here. I was really genuinely just trying to protect the cyclists.
Mate, what if I'm going at 50 k an hour on the road? So you want us, I thought you were
They were pulling into the car park over here. You've already assaulted me. I will be reporting you for assault.
I've got it all on camera
I know.
too, and you told me to
Yes.
take my helmet off so you would
Yeah.
knock me out. And I've taken my helmet off,
Yeah.
and I'm waiting.
Yeah, and I'm not...
Right, well,
Guy,
Calm down, bro.
Terry,
It's
why don't
fine.
we just say we're going
I've told me 3 times now. That's good.
All these stupid grinning cunts with it. I've got the whole on camera and it's still rolling right here.
Guys in the wrong. Let's just separate. Thanks, guys.
Normally we don't have to run over people when we come around a corner. Normally we don't have Hawaiian out having a go at the street. Stupid cunt. What does he expect if he comes running across the road having a go at me? Just got to pick a better spot to do it, guys. You know, if you can stick on the side of the road. We got some of these girls up the hill here in the centre of the street.
But, particularly down there.
Yeah, well, it's not a sensible place to go riding then. If you can't maintain the speed limit.
You know, like we ride in the same places.
He's all right.
Like the curves, I reckon, we like up and down. You're in the road and you're getting road up. Yeah, we've got the horse when the sun off, not good. Yeah, that's my way.
Normally they're all pretty good, but just today this group, they're all in the middle of the road. And then there's off the shoulder of the road, straight across in front of us there at the end, and the old mate in the shirts there having a go at us as if we're the cause of it. Thanks, mate. You too, eh?
We will. All good. Take it easy. Take the rubber side down.
Thanks, mate. You too.